Children, let us start 9th class portion. Factorization, that is polynomials and factorization. So before going to that topic, let us have a discussion about the proverb. The proverb is, no man is an island. Island means what, children? Island means a place which is surrounded by the water. That means it always stays alone. Is it possible for us, children? Nobody can stay alone. Everyone needs others for many purposes. At least to share your feelings, you need a person. To get some help, we don't know. Every day is not ours. We need help from the others. So we need to live around, within a society, around the people. So when you have this consciousness, yes, I need my friends, I need people around me. How you should be, children? You should be very polite, you should be helpful, you should always leave your ego and go to the others, mingle with them, have a nice talk with them, help them. That is how you can have a good relation among the people. So always maintain that, children. That is very, very essential. Feeling that I am so great, why should I be with them, is not the thing, children. Everyone is great in their sense. When you get an opportunity, when anyone, there is a word called opportunity. Only opportunity takes man to a higher level. So everyone is equally good, children. So no need to have any kind of pride and prejudice in us that we are great. No. Everyone is equal. So try to help the society. The society will definitely help you. Let us come to the problems. We are doing 9th class. Polynomials and factorization. So this is the topic I am doing. Now, I have started your exercise 2.2 and I have done exercise 2.2. I have done 2 problems, children. Now, third problem, it is verify. What is this verify? Verify the values. They have given values for each polynomial. You have to verify. Let us see first bit. P of x is given as 2x plus 1 and x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Means what, children? P of minus 1 by 2. In the place of x, you have to keep minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So, 2 and 2 will get cancelled, minus 1 plus 1. These two also will get cancelled. 0 is the answer. See, the question is, verify whether the values of the given values of x given in each case are zeros of the polynomials or not. They have given values of x, whether they are zeros or not. You need to follow, verify the values and find out whether they are zeros or not. So, zeros, how will you find out, children? When you get 0. So, what will say? P of minus 1 by 2 is 0 of the polynomial. The given polynomial, for that P of minus 1 is the 0. Now, let us see the second one. P of x is equal to 5x minus pi. And x is given as minus 3 by 2. That means P of minus 3 by 2. 5 into minus 3 by 2 minus pi. So, minus 3 by 2 means how much you are getting? You cannot cancel anything, children. Minus 15 by 2 minus pi. Under any circumstances, you cannot cancel. Of course, pi is pi value, even if you have 22 by 7, you cannot cancel it. You are not going to get 0. Therefore, we will say that minus 3 by 2 is not a 0. It is not a 0 of the given polynomial. Now, let us see the third bit. The third bit is p of x is equal to x square minus 1. X is equal to plus or minus 1. Means you have got two values children. Plus 1 and minus 1. Let us take 1. 1 square minus 1. 1 minus 1. 0. And therefore 1 is a 0. Definitely you can say 1 is a 0. Now p of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole square minus 1. Minus 1 whole square is 1 minus 1. This is also 0. Therefore minus 1 is a 0. Therefore what you can say, plus or minus 1 both are zeros. Next, fourth bit, p of x is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 2. X is equal to minus 1 minus 2. This I will do it. I cannot, I think here. So I will do it afterwards. You just copy it children. First, second, third problems you copy. Now, let us go to the fourth bit. P of x is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 2, where x is equal to minus 1 minus 2. So first you take p of minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 into minus 1 plus 2. So how much you are getting children? This is minus 2 into 1, that is minus 2. Therefore minus 1 is not a 0. You are not getting a 0 as answer, so it is not a 0. So p of minus 2 we will see minus 2 minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2. So here what happens, this 2 will be 0. Minus 3 into 0 is 0. Therefore minus 2 is a 0. It is the 0 of the polynomial. Okay. Now, fifth problem. What is the fifth problem? P of y is equal to y square and y is equal to 0. So, P of y is equal to y square. P of 0 is equal to 0 square, that is 0. So, we will say that 0 is the 0 of the polynomial. Next, sixth bit, p of x. P of x is equal to ax plus b and x is equal to minus b by a. So, p of minus b by a is equal to a into minus b by a plus b. A and a will get cancelled. Minus b plus b, here you are getting 0. Therefore, minus b by a is a 0. It is the 0 of the polynomial. Next, two more bits are there. Just copy it children. Then I will do the next two. Fourth, fifth, sixth problems I have done. Now, seventh problem. Seventh problem, it is f of x. They have given f here. F of x is equal to 3x square minus 1 and they have given x is equal to minus 1 by root 3 and 2 by root 3. So let us take the value f of x is equal to 3x square minus 1, f of minus 1 by root 3. That means 3 into minus 1 by root 3 whole square minus 1. See children, this is 3 into minus becomes plus, 1 by root 3 into root 3 is 3 minus 1. These two will get cancelled. 1 minus 1, 0. Therefore, 1 by root 3 is a 0. You can say that it is the 0 of the polynomial. Now again, we go for the next value. F of x is equal to 2 by root 3. F of x is equal to 3x square minus 1. So f of 2 by root 3 is equal to 3 into 2 by root 3 whole square minus 1. That means 3 into 2 square is 4 by 3 minus 1. 3 and 3 will get cancelled. 4 minus 1, 3. So it is not equal to 0. So 2 by root 3 is not a 0. Okay, children. This is about your 7th problem. Now 8th problem. What is this 8th problem? F of x is equal to 2x minus 1. X is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So let us see. F of x is equal to 2x minus 1. F of 1 by 2. 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1. 1 minus 1, that is 0. Therefore, 1 by 2 is a 0. Now, f of minus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 into minus 1 by 2 minus 1. Here, we are getting minus 1 is minus 2. Therefore, minus 1 by 2 is not a 0. Okay, children, I hope you have followed. But one thing I wanted to say you children, actually when these sums, when I teach in the class, I'll explain the students how it has to be done. 1 or 2 problems I'll do and I'll wait till all the sums are cleared by the students. But here when I am taking this video, it is not possible for me. So I am doing it. Usually what happens in the class, if the student gets doubt, then whatever problem they are unable to do, that I used to do it on the board. Remaining they will be doing and I used to correct it and see whether they have done it or, properly or not. But this procedure cannot be followed here in this process. So I am doing each and every problem. But children, when you are practicing, please don't just copy what I have told. Understand the method which I have told. And just pause the video and you keep doing all the sums. Then check with what I have done. In that way you can learn, children. Simply by copying, it's just nothing but copying from a guide. I don't want to become a guide for you. I want to become an explainer for you. An explainer who explains how to do the sum. But as I don't know who is watching this video, who is having any doubt, which kind of doubt they are having, that I don't know. So I am explaining each and every problem. It doesn't mean that you can just copy it and go. Please be sincere, children, because you will learn the things only when you personally do. I am doing it here because there is no other go for me. If I say one problem and you say, okay, do it as homework, how can I know whether you are able to do it or not? Every time it is not, it is impossible actually when I am doing this kind of video. So please be in mind, children, I am doing every problem for those sake who needs it. But maximum how you have to do, answers are with you, it's okay. Explanation is with you, it's okay. What you need to do is, okay, 1 or 2 problems you see how I have done. You stop, pause the video and you keep doing your sums. Any doubt? You just pass on, roll that video and see how that sum has been done by me. This is how you need to learn, children. So just copy this. Now let me see. Third problem I have completed. Now let us see the fourth problem. Now the fourth problem is find the zero of the polynomial. Find zero of the polynomial. How will you do? Let us see the first bit. You have got f of x is equal to x plus 2. What you need to take, children? This right side one you have to take. X plus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 2. Therefore, what you will say? P f of minus 2 you are going to get to 0. So 0 of the polynomial, 0 of f of x is equal to minus 2. This is the first bit, children. And the second bit, f of x is equal to x minus 2. Take x minus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to 2. That means what, children? F of 2 will be equal to 0. Therefore, what you can say? 0 of f of x is equal to 2. This is second bit, children. Now, we will go to the third bit. What is the third bit? F of x is equal to 2x plus 3. So, 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to plus 3. When it goes there, minus 3. X is equal to minus 3 by 2. Therefore, f of minus 3 by 2 will be equal to 0. So, what you will get? 0 of f of x is equal to minus 3 by 2. This is the third bit, children. Now, let us see the fourth bit. The fourth bit is f of x is equal to 2x minus 3. That means 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 by 2. Means f of, therefore, f of 3 by 2 is equal to 0. So, 0 of f of x is equal to 3 by 2. This is your fourth bit, children. And fifth bit, f of x is equal to x square. Consider x square is equal to 0. What is x, children? X is also equal to 0. So, f of 0 is equal to f of 0 is equal to 0. Here f of x value is 0. Therefore, 0 of f of x is equal to 0. So, write down this, children. I have done up to 5. Sixth problem. This is sixth problem. After 6 bits I have done. I hope you have understood. Everywhere only RHS you make it as 0 and find out x value, that becomes 0. If you want, you can even check, children. Minus 2 plus 2 is 0 you will be getting. So this is how you need to find out 0 of the polynomial. Okay, children? Now let us see seventh problem. Now seventh problem is f of x is equal to px plus q, where p and p is not equal to 0, p and q are real numbers. This is given to you. So let us take P of Px plus Q is equal to 0. So what is Px? Minus Q. X is equal to minus Q by P. So f of minus Q by P is equal to 0. Therefore 0 of f of x is equal to minus Q by P. This is the answer. So with this I have completed fourth bit. Now fifth problem. Fourth problem I have completed. Now fifth problem. If 2 is 0 of P of x is equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 7a, a is equal to how much? This is the question. What is P of x? 2x square minus 3x plus 7a. What did they do? 2 is 0 of P of x. That means what, children? P of 2 should be equal to 0. When they said that 2 is the 0 of the polynomial, so P of 2 should be equal to 0. So what is P of 2, children? 2 into 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 7a. That means 2 into 4 minus 6 plus 7a. That is 6 minus 6 plus 7. 8 minus 6. 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 6 is equal to 7a. 2 plus 7a. P of 2, you have got 2 plus 7a. So what you will do? You will be doing, children. They said P of 2 is equal to 0, no? What did you have? You have got that P of 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, 2 plus 7a is equal to 0. 7a is equal to minus 2. A is equal to minus 2 by 7. This is your answer. So, when they have given you 0, what you have to tell? If 2 is 0 of the polynomial means what? 2 is 0 means P of 2 is equal to 0. We have got P of x. Find out what is P of 2. This value equalized to 0, you will be getting a value. This is fifth problem, children. Very, very important sums these are. Copy it. Now, sixth problem. If 0 and 1 are zeros of P of x is equal to 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b, you have to find out what is the value of a, what is the value of b. See, children, it is P of x is equal to 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b. This is a cubic polynomial. So, you will be having 3 solutions. Out of 3, 2 they have given. So, according to problem, P of 0 is equal to 0 and P of 1 is also equal to 0. So, write down P of x is equal to 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b. So, P of 0 is equal to 2 into 0 cube minus 3 into 0 square plus a into 0 plus b. That means how much, children? This is 0 minus 0 plus 0 plus b. That means b. So, P of 0, you have got b. P of 0 value is B means what is P of 0? 0 is, P of 0 is 0, no? Therefore, we will say B value is 0. I hope you are understanding, children. P of 0, see when they said 0 and 1 are the zeros, P of 0 will be 0, P of 1 also will be 0. P of 0, I have got answer as only B. So, P of 0 is equal to B means B will be 0. Now, we go to P of 1. P of 1 is nothing but 2 into 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square plus A into 1 plus B. That means here 2 into 1 minus 3 into 1 plus A plus in the place of B I am keeping 0 because we have got 0 here. So 2 minus 3 plus A, that is minus 1 plus A. P of 1 is 0, no. So minus 1 plus A is equal to 0. Therefore, A is equal to 1. So the answers are A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0. These two are the answers, children. I hope you have understood. Very, very important to submit this. Okay? So, copy this, children. So with this I am going to finish. In the next video I will see the next part.